Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm back with an edgy look. As you can see, this is a very nice hairstyle that you can really rock anytime. It is amazing. It is very nice. If you're looking for an edgy look, you can really try this out. Yeah, I'm really getting so excited with recording very many videos for you guys. Hope you like and subscribe. If you think I did an amazing job, just give me a thumbs up. Alright, bye-bye.
Well, I sectioned my hair into 4 parts. Those are 3 sections on the back, then the front section, just there. I've already tied them into a bun. So I start working on the last part of the hair at the back. I have to slick it down. I use gel. I use Eco Gel to slick my edges so that at least it can look a little bit slick. I slick it really very well and tie it down with a bun. As you can see, I just tie it tightly, then I divide the other top section into 2 because I'm going to be working on it to make a good bun as well. So the other part of the section that I've already sectioned aside, I roll the ends of the hair. So I roll the ends of the hair, then tuck it like that and roll it down to make a good bun. I just roll to the lower section and I pin it down using a bobby pin. That is the bobby pin I'm using. You can use 1 or 2 bobby pins to secure, as long as it's secure enough. So I pinned it down like that. Then I work on the other section of the hair. I still roll the ends of the hair, then tuck and roll like that. I make sure it's bit neat, and I also use a bobby pin to secure it down. Remember that other section, I was rolling it to the other opposite direction, as you see. The same thing applies to the next part. I just roll the ends of the hair, then roll down to the lower section of the bun and pin it down using a bobby pin. The other section, I also roll it to the other direction, the upper direction, and pin it down using a pin. Just like that. Then the other section, I still do the same. I divide into 2, roll the other side, then roll also this other side of the hair on the upper direction, and that is it. So for the front section of the hair, I just roll the middle part. Remember, the rest of the hair I was rolling the ends of the hair, so this one I just roll the middle part and pin it down. I pin that middle part that I rolled first so that it can make a good design. Then the rest of the hair, I just tuck it in like that, then secure with a bobby pin. I just make sure everything is right and everything is neat, and I secure with a bobby pin. That's it. If you really like this hairstyle, just give me a thumbs up, like, comment and share. Thank you.